Alright, so we've got a Spring Boot app here. Here's the user controller class. I'm making a Wordle application. This is the end goal. Sketch this out in Figma. We're in the very beginning stages right now. I'm just making this video so that I can refer back to it because my brain is getting a little scattered right now, to be honest. This is my first hack at implementing email authentication for a user, whether they're creating an account for the first time or resetting their password. I'm just going to scroll through the code so that in the future I can refer back to this video and pause the video where needed. This helps me out. Alright, so let's head over to Postman and show the flow. Like I said, email authentication, and this is me doing my best attempt at it without watching YouTube videos or scouring the web for the proper or correct way to implement this. I'm just doing it how I see fit, and so far I don't think it's too bad. Let me know if there are any big vulnerabilities that I'm totally overlooking. There definitely might be, but first we'll create a new user. Notice we have this email. The username is JaspyBoy. The password is Jippers123. So let's try to log in with that user. We get a false, which is good. We don't want to be able to log in with him because he just created his account. He hasn't authenticated via email, so he could just be a bot, you know. So we just got an email sent to that email address. So let's check that out. Okay, so now we're going to click on this. It's going to send a GET request to the back end. This email UID is how we're going to tie that GET request to said user. So we get the username good to go, JaspyBoy, and now this flag has been flipped to true. They have confirmed their email. So now let's try to log in. True. Sweet. So now down the road, we want to reset our password. We're going to search with our email or username, either works. So we found the user. This is that screen where you have to enter your email or your username first before you can change your password. We get a confirmation email. Reset password request. Okay, so this is tied to a user via another UID. That is this reset password UID. So they'll enter their new password. I don't have it set up here yet, just Postman. In the request body, we need that UID so that we can tie it to the user. And we want to change the password to reset. Alright, so good to go. Let's log in with it. Oh, we can't. That's expected because anybody could grab this. Say I'm streaming on, I don't know, Twitch or something, and you see my screen. Well, in the future, anybody can just go to this endpoint and change my password. You don't want that. So I just got an email to confirm that it's me through my email address. I have to click this before that new password actually gets changed. So now let's try to log in. Now we can. Let's try to change the password again. Change it to change. Log in. Still able to log in with that password. Change. Nope. That's good because that in-between step where we submit the new password that we want, we're setting it here as the new password, and then once we confirm with that link sent to the email, it sends a GET request to the backend, ties it to a user based on the email UID, and then updates password to be what new password is. So now these are both the same. They're encrypted with bcrypt right now. As you can tell, my head's kind of all over the place, so I need this video just to look back on if I forget all the stuff I just implemented. Yeah.